To export your model as FBX with textures in Blender, you can just select your object, click on File, Export, and choose FBX. Instead of leaving the path mode as auto, choose Copy. This should make a copy of your textures into the FBX. And then if you have your object selected, you can click on Selected Objects. Scale your objects into the FBX unit scale, and then export. But this won't work if you don't have your image directly connected into your principal BSDF or shader. Here you can see this roughness is directly connected into the shader. Likewise, metalness is also directly connected into the shader. But the base color has three images: cavity, ambient occlusion, and diffuse color mixing in together. But when exporting your object with textures, you will need to have them directly connect to the shader. But how will you do that if you have three images like this? To do that, you will have to break these three images into a new image. Follow and duplicate this, remove this, and name it something. Base color, I guess. To make the mix of these three into this base color, all you have to do is add image shader, emission shader, connect the mix of whatever you would like to make into the color, and then emission into the surface. In render options, choose cycles, and under bake, if you have selected to active turn down, disable that. Set the bake type to emit. You will have to have your object selected as well as your new image selected, and then click on bake. Now if you connect this into this emission, you will see no difference because all that is baked into here. These three textures are 4K, but I baked it into a 1K texture, that's why it's blurry. What you can do is remove all these, and use your newly baked texture instead. It should give you the same result, but when you bake this now, the FBX file will have all these images. If you baked it before, it will be missing this because there is a mix shader between them. You can do this to roughness or littleness as well if you have something mixing between, or if you have procedural shaders as well, you'll have to bake them.